Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate your WordPress website using the MigrateGuru plugin. I would recommend that you do a backup of your website before doing a migration, just in case you need to revert back. And so if this is something you like to learn how to do, then watch this video. Okay, so we'll be using MigrateGuru, which is a free website migration plugin. So to get started, what you want to do is go into your source website. So it'll be here. And I'll just show you the website first. So it's just an Elementor website. So we'll be migrating this to an empty WordPress website. Okay, so it's this website here, and just make sure you're logged into both. Okay, so first what we want to do is install the MigrateGuru plugin. So go into plugins, okay, and then add plugin, and then search MigrateGuru. Okay, and then install now. Okay, and then activate, and then do this also on your destination website. Okay, so go to plugins, add plugins, MigrateGuru. Okay, and then install now, and then activate both. So you want to be on the source website. So this is the website that has all the files and data you want to migrate. And what you want to do is add in your email. And this will send you a confirmation once the migration is completed, and then agree to the terms and click migrate. Okay, and then this is going to open up Blog Vault. Okay, and then you want to choose your host. So if your host is available here, then you can choose that. But in my case, I'm using Cloudways, which is not available. So I'll click other hosts. And then we'll go into plugins. Okay, and then this is the most important step. What you want to do is go into the destination site. So this is where we want to migrate the site to. So this, in my case, is a completely empty website. And then you want to go into the MigrateGuru plugin as well. Okay, and you don't need to enter your email again, just get this migration key. And this will allow the MigrateGuru plugin to complete the migration. So you can copy this key here. And then next, go back to your source website. Okay, over here, and then paste your key. And again, it doesn't hurt to double check. So again, just double check that you're on the destination website, and then you can just check that the migration is coming from the source website. Okay, so I confirmed this on my end, and then over here, you don't need to worry about this unless if you're doing a complex migration, then you can omit certain files as well and tables. But for a standard migration, you don't need to worry about this. So once everything has been double checked, then you're ready to do the migration, then you can click migrate. Okay, so now MigrateGuru is doing the migration, so we can see the progress here. And also, again, you can double check here that you're copying the correct URL. So in our case, it's going from this URL. So the files are coming from here, and they're going to be copied over to this URL. Okay, so now let's wait for the migration to complete here. Okay, and for some reason, if you wanted to cancel the migration during the process, you can do that at the button here. So this migration is just finishing up. So let's wait for this to complete. Okay, great. The migration has been completed. And I also received an email confirming the migration. Okay, so that was pretty quick. It took less than 5 minutes. So let's double check the completed migration. So click visit site. Okay, great. So our migration has been completed. So you'll need to log in again using the credentials from the source website, as the users table will be overwritten as well. So you won't be able to use the default credentials that was made when the website was created. So again, that's something to keep in mind. But again, I would recommend the MigrateGuru plugin, as it allowed me to migrate a website to a new host within 5 minutes. So this concludes the end of the video. I hope you're able to follow along and migrate your WordPress website using the MigrateGuru plugin. If you need any additional help with website migration, then you can contact me at mapletmedia.ca. And if you'd like to stay up to date with my latest videos, then please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.